Hey, good morning, everybody. December 1st. Can you believe it? 25 days to Christmas. Wow. uh, hey, I got a final for you today. I finished up my tribute to the FangTang. Uh, I I really enjoyed this model. This is a really cool kit. If you guys end up getting a Mustang like this, uh, I'd go for it. I'd do it. I mean, it was a blast. The fitment was pretty good. Um, I well, I'll get into that in a minute. But yeah, this is my tribute to the FangTang. Let me move you over and get you in there. Well, there it is, guys, gals. Um, it's the tow rig is the Galaxy. It's uh, Rumble's B. Uh, I didn't put the stripes and all that on it, but I did put the big engine in it. And so the trailer come out of a different kit altogether, and I didn't put the sideboards on it. And then it's got the stock car, thing in the front where you put the race mags and all that up on the top. So let me put Mustang up on the pedestal here, and I'll get you guys all the info on this. This was a blast. I really enjoyed this. I used Tamiya paint on it. I forget the gold. Hang on a second. TS87. That's the Tamiya paint. Really like that. What do they call that? Titanium gold. And then I had a flat gold went in the interior, and then I accented it with a light brown. A decal on the back, gunfighter. That's a Slicks, come off of one of their gasser Slicks packs that they have. Yeah, it's a nice kit. I ended up, let's see if I can get you in here a little closer. The hood scoop, I used the screen out of a coffee filter that you could get. Let me see if I can get this to focus real quick. You rid those reusable coffee filters, and then just cut it down. I got plenty of it. It comes, in a big pack there. So, interior turned out real sweet. I like that. I put a fire extinguisher in between the seats. On the seats, I cut the console out, and the center console for between the seats, I cut that out and just had the two buckets, and then I just put a boot shifter in there. So I like that a lot better. Let's see what else we got. Get that in focus. There we go. That's about it on the outside. Oh, you know what? I forgot to paint my side markers. I just noticed that. The back one and the front ones. Well, I'll get those done. But, yeah, everything else, fitment and everything was real nice. I took some the clear glue, like a Mod Podge and that, and did the headlights to kind of make them look like they were glassed over. I don't have the hood sitting on there right, I can tell you that. Let's take that bad boy off. All right. Get me a little closer. All right. That's that 427 that comes in the kit, and it was really good kit, engine, and then the brace is, it goes from shock tower to shock tower. That's out of a different kit. That's out of a monogram kit. I don't know if you remember, but on the sides they had big cutouts going the wrong way on there, and so I put a piece of spur in there, and then I put this on top, and that made it look a whole lot better. I wired it, plug wired it, and then I actually drilled the fuel pump and ran fuel line, and then I made my own fuel rail, and I haven't found the right diameter that I want to use, and I'm going to put a gauge in right about here. But as soon as I find it, I've got some around here somewheres, and I just can't locate it right now, and I'll put a little gauge on there. But yeah, it turned out really nice, I think. That's that two-part. Here's one. Nope, that ain't one. Let me get it. That's one of those mad Morgan Automotive Detail. They're sweet, man. It comes in different colors, and that you can get different colored distributor caps, and then it's a two-piece job, and then you got the boot right there you cut off, and it's a solid wire on the inside, and I use that solid wire to run my my fuel line. And then I had a little piece of tubing there, and I use that to make a coil. It's a little taller than I want. I just don't like it. And then I used flat rubber color on the radiator hose net. Underneath, I've got the headers, and I dirtied them up as if it'd been running for a while. The old gas tank's back here. It's pretty basic under there, but it's pretty nice. It's not bad. Yeah, I'm happy with this kit quite a bit, to be honest. I would definitely recommend this kit. If you guys want to build, something, it's a little fiddly on, on final assembly, only because everything's pushing up, and it catches the glass a little bit, so the chassis assembly doesn't get to go up as far as I like. See, it kind of hangs down a little bit right here. I can't quite get it up in there all the way, but it sets good. It's not a problem with me. So, well, guys, it's been a little while coming, but it's made it. I hope you enjoyed it. I got a few things coming. Naked group build. I want to finish up my truck. I think that 60 custom truck I'm going to finish that up here next, and we'll see what happens. Appreciate everybody stopping by. I do. Hope you all had a good Thanksgiving. I know I did. So I'll talk at you next time around. See ya.